Greetings from Söderbysjön, and one of my go-to spots in the beautiful Swedish nature in the Nacka Nature Reserve. It is obviously a spontaneous nudist beach spot, and I am here to enjoy this beautiful Monday and beach the number 41 on my Sweden beach adventures. Indeed. The date is 25th of May, and I have cycled around 7.5 kilometers to get here, around 20 minutes with my Scott gravel bike that you can see now more closely. Yes, it was a very hot weekend actually. We had up to 25 degrees Celsius this weekend, and today it's a bit colder, but still 18 degrees Celsius in the air, but with no wind it feels a lot warmer than that, especially when the sun rises. To be fair, we have a bit of clouds also as well today. And I have been swimming now for 2 days in a row, 30 minutes every day, 3 times 10 minutes. So today I'm gonna go maybe for 2 times 15 minutes, as I have a lot of things to do for my videos from Eurovision from Vienna. So I will need to get back home because it's much easier to do things that way. And to be fair, it's not gonna be sunny a lot today. So yeah, so enjoy this beautiful nature. I can't believe I'm all alone right now, but it is only 12 o'clock lunchtime here in Stockholm, and it's gonna be a hot summer, so you are in for a treat with some very nice locations this summer. Last time when I measured here, I think it was 16 degrees in the lake. Let's see how it... Oh, 20 degrees Celsius in the lake. Oh my god. Yes, I love it. 20 degrees, that's a record. And meaning that I can swim also maybe for half an hour at once. I'm so happy. Yes, the hot weather has warmed up the lakes. This is a fairly small lake, but has lots of beautiful nudist beach locations around it that are very secluded in the beautiful nature. Oh yeah, so now we come to the times when the water is warmer than the air, and which means that now it's not gonna be colder than 20 degrees in this lake for at least until September. So we're gonna embrace that for sure. Okay, let's see. Further in seems a bit more clear compared to this end where the pollen from the trees has fallen to the top, but luckily I am not allergic to pollen. And at least I think so. So yeah, let's then get going for a swim. I don't need to go in slowly now because it's very warm, and this is also perfect temperature to jump also into the water, maybe from some other spot around the lake where it's feasible to do so. Okay, I have fell a bit down. I'm trying to clear out the lake, the water a bit, in order to dive freely. So yeah, greetings from Söderbysjön and this spontaneous beach spot in the Swedish nature, and thank you so much for watching my videos and my short as well. So let's then dive in. Oh my god, summer is definitely here. It is so warm in the lake, and I will try to do 30 minutes swim now after this video, and we'll keep you posted tomorrow of the outcome. But 20 degrees, it's warm, it's so warm. I'm so happy. And hopefully soon also in the sea it's gonna be warm like this, because in the sea it's obviously much more beautiful. So yes, that is a wrap from Söderbysjön, and with one 360 view we're gonna round up this episode. And thank you so much for watching, and make sure to tune in for more beach adventures on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris. Yeah.